Get your lady, cop, piff, inhaler, cough, rip the label off.
What's going on, guys? Man, this is probably like the craziest come up of like my whole thrifting career. I mean, it's not really thrifted technically. I'll say straight up, this random lady, she messaged me out of nowhere and was like, hey, would you be interested in any like Chicago Bulls, Charlotte Hornets, or I forgot what else gear? And I was like, I was not going to message back when I heard that because I was like, hey, it's probably just some like basic stuff. She probably doesn't even know what she has. So I was like, let me see the Chicago Bulls stuff. And then she sends me a bunch of good stuff, actually. She sent me a reversible champion jersey, Michael Jordan, a few Nike Michael Jordan tees, and 2 all-over print Michael Jordan tees. And I was like, I'll take all those right there. I'll give you like $140. And she was like, okay, I'll do that. And she was like, let me just make sure with my husband. So she messaged me back the next day. Okay, we'll take your offer for $140. And I was like, okay, cool. And then I was like, man, I want to make this more worth it. Like, I was like, do you have anything else? And she was like, yeah, he has these old, mind you this is her like boyfriend stuff. Like, he's had this like forever. Like, it's all his like OG stuff, like that he had, personal stuff. So she was like, yeah, he has these Jordans, but they're not for sale yet. And I'm like, well, if he has all these old ass Nike tees and stuff like that, they gotta be some OG Jordans. So she sends me literally the grill of all Jordans, the 1985 pairs Jordan 1s, Chicago colorway. And I was like, fuck, dude. I was like, throw those in there. I should have said less because maybe I could have saved some money, but at the same time, you know, I didn't want to. I mean, she didn't really know. Like, she wasn't really trying to make no profit. She was just trying to get rid of stuff for some cash. So really, I could have just told her, if you throw those shoes in, I'll pay $200. But I ended up paying $300. So she put the shoes in there, in all 8 Nike tees, and 2 all-over print tees. I think it's a total of 8 tees in the jersey and then the shoes. So that's what she told me. So time to reveal it, and let's see what's in this damn box, man. 2019. It's about to be off to a very, very crazy ass start if what I paid for is in here. Well, you guys are probably gonna skip over this. Give it a pause and comment, like, subscribe, do all that. I'm about to start doing more videos, man. I mean, 21, I gotta do something, man. Like, so I might start doing more videos. I might start doing trip to the bins. Who knows? I've been saying I want to do trip to the bins, show you guys all the stuff that I find. But yeah, go give my Instagram a follow at War Vintage, WAR Vintage. Please go do that. Support me. And I'm gonna let you guys know right now, I got what I fucking paid for. I already see the all over print tee. This is crazy. I knew it wasn't too good to be true. I knew she was legit. Oh my gosh, dude, this is insane. Where should we start? Fuck, we might as well start with this one. What size are these two? Hopefully they're good sizes. Let me size a little bit. Oh, XL, fuck, perfect. Look at this right here. You don't really see this all over print one right here. No holes on the armpits. Only thing wrong with this one, she did tell me. I mean, that's nothing right there. That's an easy fix. So, first tee right here. All over print Jordan tee. Man, that one's a sick one. I might have to keep this one. I don't know. If you're interested in it, just DM me. War Vintage. Oh, what size is this? Another XL. Sweet. Oh, man, this one's sweet. Damn, dude, she was really about it. This is crazy. Look at that one. That one's sick. I'm gonna put it up to the camera a little bit more. Next one, another Nike tee. Dude, they're all XL. These are great sizes. I'm glad too. Just the back of it. And then the front is this right here. sweet. Couple of them have minor stains, but oh, he has infrared 6s on right here. Single stitch. Damn, dude, this is insane. I think I hit a lick. I asked for this one too. This one's a cool one. I couldn't pass up on it. I don't know what size this one is. This is a large. Kind of boxy, but still a cool tee. What year is it from? 1989. Damn, this one's from 89. Oh man. Oh, this one's probably the coolest tee of them all. Glad she showed me this one. What size is this? This is a large. It says, warning, you earthlings stand no chance against my 36. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. You get the point. 1993 Space Jam, dude. This is crazy. Look at them with the Air Jordans on in the front. Damn, dude. This is probably the best tee right here. I don't even think he wore this. This is like literally in crazy clean condition. Damn, that's crazy. Dated 1993. Oh yeah, this other shirt here too. This one was pretty cool. Pretty sure it's Jordan on it too. Large. That one's a good one. And then, oh yeah, this one right here too. This one was an XL. This one was actually probably my second. I don't know. I kind of like those all over print tees, obviously, but with the Nike tees, it's probably my second favorite one out of the bunch. Earth to Mike, do you read over? That's crazy, dude. I don't even know if anyone has this one. That was sweet. And then, was this it? Yeah, it was reversible. Champion jersey. Size 48. Crazy. And all this stuff is like really in great condition. Like, I don't even think he wore it a lot. And then, I mean, I wish they were my size, but I can't complain, dude. I mean, shit. $1985 pair of OG Jordan 1s. And literally great condition. A little bit of crumbling starting, but dude, these are like in perfect condition. And I think he added these little like decals right here, 23. But dude, this is like all original paint. Dated 1985, size 11. She told me size 12, but that's even better, size 11. Dang. Look at these, man. They're for sure gonna have to get restored for the, what's it called? Dude, this is crazy. Like, this is all original paint on there. He didn't even wear these. Look at the bottom, look at the soles. They don't even have no heel drag on it. That's insane. I'm gonna have to throw some black laces on these. But, that's probably one of the craziest hauls you're gonna see. Man, thank you guys for experiencing that unboxing with me. Like, I'm like still in shock. I don't wanna like look corny and start running around here, but trust me, this stuff is like really meaningful right here. A lot of this stuff will not be for sale, especially not these unless someone has me a crazy offer. But I got my glass case in there, and they're gonna go in there for probably a very long time too. And man, this is really insane. But yeah, thank you guys for experiencing that with me. Keep on thrifting if you're thrifting. If you're new to thrifting, just keep doing you, do yourself, and good things will come to you. Like, this was literally random. This was, like, I didn't go out my way for this. This was literally handed to me, and I paid for it. Like, she messaged me, like, yo, would you want some stuff? And thank God I responded. I wasn't, you know, sometimes I don't really respond to stuff because I just feel like people just, they always send me, like, bullshit sometimes, but this was really amazing, and I'm really going to give her a nice message, and I really appreciate her. I always remember her for even messaging me that this is like one of a kind freaking come ups right here. But yeah, thanks you guys for watching. Till the next video, like, comment, subscribe, please. I know you guys are gonna want to see more crazy unboxings after this one, so I mean, keep supporting me. Share my video, do whatever you can, and go follow my page too at War Vintage.
But having 285s is not a bad thing.
I've been looking for a pair of Chicago 1's to wear, and I didn't want to get the new pair. I wanted to get the 94s or this pair because I sold my first one.